Welcome to CONEXPO-CON Ag News, coming to you from South Hall at the Convention Centre in Las Vegas. I'm Christine Keys. Later in today's show, we'll feature major announcements from LiuGong, RoadTech and Caterpillar.
Trimble construction technology. Work faster and achieve better results. Manage every task with greater control. Increase customer satisfaction. Win more projects. Easy as that.
In breaking news, Chinese company LiuGong has announced it's acquiring the construction equipment division of Polish company HSW.
This will be our first acquisition of a company outside our domestic market.
You've heard about how HSW takes us further into our 5-year strategy and toward our goal of becoming a top construction equipment manufacturer. HSW offers a full line of bulldozers from 74 to 515 horsepower and is one of only 7 manufacturers in the world with a complete line of bulldozers.
I'm Jim Donahue, and I want to start by thanking everyone for joining us this morning to add to what Mr. Zhang said at the beginning.
CONEXPO is a huge opportunity for LiuGong. This year we're making a major push to grow our presence in North America. So we're very pleased to be here. We think it's a great opportunity for us to show what LiuGong is all about to the North American market. LiuGong has grown faster than anyone else in this hall in terms of major players in the last 5 years. We've grown 30% a year on year for 5 years in a row. And we are one of the fastest growing construction equipment companies, and we think we're up to the challenge of representing ourselves well against the rest of the competitors here in this building. We're about talking to customers, focusing on their needs, and showing them the superior value that LiuGong can bring. You know, we like to say that LiuGong is a brand that's easy to own. The cost of maintenance is low, it's easy to take care of the machines. We think all that adds up to a better value for the customers, and that's why more and more customers around the world are switching to LiuGong.
And in other news out today, RoadTech will also establish a base in Europe.
One of the projects we've got currently on hand is we are looking to move Roadtec into the European theater. We're looking at a facility in most likely Hamelin, Germany, and negotiating with a local company. And the intention is sometime in the next 90 days we expect to be part of a RoadTech Europe facility in northern Germany, and that facility would be there to service UK, Europe, Middle East, to a lesser extent perhaps Russia. We would inventory machines, parts, have service personnel there. That's a market that we felt very strongly at RoadTec that we needed to be a part of, and we're going to make the investment in 2011 and get it done. We play a role in moving the industry towards using more and more recycled material, and that goes beyond just milling up pavements and turning them into new asphalt. It goes to machines like the one to my right, the stabilizer reclaimer right here, that actually is designed to actually mill and rubbleize material in place, leave it back and reuse it, and that's a perfect example of where we're not taking new resources out of the ground. We're actually using machinery and concepts to take the product that's already on the ground, rejuvenate it, recycle it, resize it, and reuse it for new asphalt roads.
It's been all about sustainability for Caterpillar since the CONEXPO-CON Ag show 3 years ago.
We have lots of things going on around the way our pavers are used, our recycling mills are used. There's a whole technology, I think, coming that will be driven by now, unfortunately, very high oil prices. And that will spur invention across the board. Our paving group is really spending a lot of time, think time and resources on exactly how do we do this to get more stretch out of a mile or kilometer worth of asphalt. I think 3 years ago, this whole idea of sustainability was new. And it was really the first time all of us in the industry started talking about it to some degree. In that 3-year period of time, we've had the whole discussion around greenhouse gases, climate change. Now we're seeing high fuel prices twice in that period of time since the last CONEXPO. So there's a lot of emphasis on this, and how do I get my cost down as a contractor and lessen my footprint on the planet. So it's a red hot subject. I can't have a discussion with customers today without this subject coming up first or second. CONEXPO 3 years from now, sustainability, 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 and technology. Those two things, I think, will drive what we see 3 years from now.
Despite being busy, some show visitors still took time out today for a worthy cause.
We're hosting a fundraising race for the AEM Educational Foundation. The AEM is the association that's putting on this convention, the CONEXPO. We basically take children from kids from around the country. They have this construction challenge as part of that event. The construction challenge is part of an overall program that the AEM Foundation funds to get young people involved in the construction trade.
We came from Brazil to this running here in Las Vegas because we are Volvo.
Go!
I got up this morning and thought, what is with my legs? Yeah. And I remembered 8 hours in a booth.
Weather was excellent, and the course is flat. You know, I'm from Chicago area, so there's a little bit of flat, but there's hills as well. So it was kind of nice just to have one flat course in the nice morning with the sun coming up. So we really had a great time.
That's it for today. We'll leave you with a snapshot of what people are saying about CONEXPO-CON Ag 2011. See you tomorrow.
Great, awesome. Had great turnout yesterday. It's better than we anticipated. So hopefully tomorrow and the rest of the week we got the same.
Yeah, I'm also from Sweden. I'm supporting the grading equipment from Atlas Copco. It's always rewarding to come here and meet all these people, customers, listen to them directly. It's very instructive and it's very rewarding for us.
It's pretty interesting. A lot of things I've never seen before.
The El Grande of the show, the big Lippmann 3862 track plan. It's first class. You can tell them that the crushologists said that. I have a PhD in crushology.
Where's your degree from?
Texas.
Construction technology, the best solution for heavy and highway projects. Powerful and rugged, proven to increase job site productivity. Technology that's simple to use, easy as that.